Add your clips, go to effects, add a motion tile effect and add a oscillate effect. Frequency 2.0, amplitude value 0, add first keyframe and add second keyframe. First keyframe value 90. Graph like this. Angle value 90 and do this on your second clip. Add a motion tile and add a oscillate. Frequency value 2.0, amplitude 0. Add a first keyframe, drag to start and add a second keyframe. First keyframe value 90. Graph like this. Angle 0. And the shape is ready. Thanks for watching.